channel. So today I just wanted to do a quick video to show you how I package my coasters. So this is part of the packaging. They're about half done here, and I'm going to show you the whole process end to end, including the boxes that I ship them in and everything. My packaging has changed a lot since I started my business. I'm always trying to improve it and make it look better, because I think that's half the fun of getting something and ordering something in the mail. It's when you get it and you open it up and it's kind of like a gift to yourself. So let's get started. I'm going to speed this up for you, and I will include descriptions in the video so that you can read along with every step, and I will also include where I ordered everything in the description below. Okay, so that's essentially it. So these boxes I got from Uline. They do come flattened. I tape them together. I also got the crinkly paper in there from Uline. I like using it better than bubble wrap because my coasters aren't super fragile, and I just think it looks a little nicer than bubble wrap. These stickers, these little flyers, and these tags, which are actually business cards that I hole punched to make them into tags. They all sort of match, and I designed them all on vistaprint.com. So I'll link that in the description, but that's what that looks like. And then the last step would be to go on to my Etsy and print out a packing slip, which I would then write thank you on, and I would slip it into the box. And then I would print out the shipping label, and then I would tape this up, stick the shipping label on, and then I'm done. So if you have any questions or comments about this, feel free to put that in the comments below. And if you have anything else you want to see, perhaps you want a tutorial on how to use Etsy shipping or anything else to do with Etsy, feel free to ask that as well. And I'd love to make some more videos for you guys. Thanks so much for joining me today. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Have a good day, guys. Bye.